Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 4 of Building the Quakertown and Southern. You join us back in the Quakertown area where we continue placing down several baseball and softball diamonds and resizing them to our liking and positioning and getting them generally as close as we can. Again, due to the assets involved, we can only get it close. We can't get it exact, unfortunately. But hey, you gotta make do. A little shorter video today, not because I haven't had time to record, I have, but a lot of my recording efforts recently have been in actually setting up episode 5, which a while back I told you was going to be the kind of route tour, or at least the first route tour. And that's still the case, it's still going to be, but a lot of my recording time has been dedicated to that, so I was only really able to record one segment. But what that allowed me to do is actually slow down the time speed up from 3 to 4 times down to double time. So you can actually see my process a little bit better. You notice like right now I'm kind of looking, okay, what do I want to do next? And I noticed that, there's these flat concrete, there's this flat concrete area that is next to a stage. Now I don't know what I'm going to do for the stage yet, but I know for a fact I can at least take care of the concrete viewing area, which is no problem. I just resize a bunch of the AP station assets and do it that way. So again, you're able to see my process a little better, not sped up, etc. Now you may be wondering, why didn't I just use one big AP station block and instead I used 4. You notice the lines there. Unfortunately, when this is all said and done, it looks like one big block. But you notice there's 4 lines, and I thought it'd be a little more realistic to use 4 blocks since there were 4 lines there. And I think it was just overall a little easier. Again, when this is all said and done, it looks like one big block, but it was inspired by using 4, so I ended up using 4. And that's kind of the only reason for that. I may go back to this and modify it, or at least modify some of the heights involved. That way, it looks like there's 4. So keep an eye out for that. Not filmed in this update also is another kind of concrete block project, which is the pool next to a lot of those baseball fields. But that is in the most recent Steam Workshop update I posted, actually about a day or so before this video goes live. And that's the other thing I want to state. These videos are now caught up to where I am working wise. So any updates that I put up on Steam Workshop will likely now be seen in a video. So that'll be pretty nice. You can kind of follow along with what I do. But again, just kind of looking for something else. And the hilarious thing is, I thought I was done with the baseball fields, but then I ended up finding one more. So again, you kind of see my process a little better. And don't worry, that dinging noise was my computer, not yours. And I move on to the tried and true using the filler for, or the asset block, the irregular asset block for the trees. And again, kind of going around going like, okay, kind of wrapping things up here. You see that pool, and then all of a sudden, out of left field here, or more like right field probably, again looking, and I go, oh, there's another baseball field. There's a ton of baseball fields in this area. It used to be a playground when I was younger, but now it's kind of evolved into a lot of baseball fields. Don't really know why, but hey. And you can see that pole that I mentioned in the Steam Workshop update. That pole you can see over on the right there. So I hope you enjoyed this little bit short of an episode, and I will see you guys in episode 5 for the route tour. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see, and see you next week.